Excuse me, sir. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I am looking for the train station.
Oh, it is not far from here.
Really? Can you show me the way?
Yes. Go straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks straight?
Yes, then turn left.
Turn left after 2 blocks.
Correct. Then walk 1 more block.
1 more block. Okay.
The station will be on your right.
On the right. Got it. Thank you.
Do you want me to show it on the map?
Yes, please.
Here it is. You see the blue line?
Yes, I see it.
Follow the blue line, and you will reach the station.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Are you new in the city?
Yes, I am. I just arrived yesterday.
I see. Then it is good to ask for directions.
Yes, it is. I don't want to get lost.
Do you need a taxi too?
No, I want to walk.
Walking is good. You can see the city.
Yes, I like walking.
Remember, after 2 blocks, turn left.
Yes, 2 blocks, then left.
And the station is on your right.
On my right.
If you need help, ask someone again.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Listen and repeat.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me? I am looking for the train station. Really? Can you show me the way? Two blocks straight? Turn left after 2 blocks. One more block. Okay. On the right. Got it. Thank you. Yes, please. Yes, I see it. Thank you very much. Yes, I am. I just arrived yesterday. Yes, it is. I don't want to get lost. No, I want to walk. Yes, I like walking. Yes, 2 blocks, then left. On my right. I will. Thank you for your help. You too. Goodbye. Hi, Tom. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, Anna. Hello?
Hello. Is the bus late today?
I think so. It is already 10 minutes late.
Oh no. I am late for work.
Me too. I hope it comes soon.
Which bus are you waiting for?
Bus number 5. And you?
Bus number 5 too. We go the same way.
That's good. We can wait together.
Yes, it is nicer with company.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, every day for work.
Me too. Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It is often crowded.
Yes, I agree.
Do you read on the bus?
Yes, I read a book or my phone.
Oh, I like reading too.
What book are you reading now?
A story about a girl and her dog.
Sounds interesting.
Yes, it is. Do you like stories?
Yes, very much.
Look, the bus is coming.
Finally.
Hurry, let's get in.
Okay, let's go.
Is it crowded?
A little, but we can find seats.
Good. I don't like standing for a long time.
Me neither.
Do you take this bus in the morning too?
Yes, every day.
I see. Then you know the schedule well.
Yes, I know.
Thank you for waiting with me.
You are welcome. It is better together.
Yes, we can talk while we wait.
Exactly.
Listen and repeat.
Hi, Tom. Are you waiting for the bus? Hello. Is the bus late today? Oh no. I am late for work. Which bus are you waiting for? Bus number 5 too. We go the same way. Yes, it is nicer with company. Yes, every day for work. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It is often crowded. Do you read on the bus? Oh, I like reading too. story about a girl and her dog. Yes, it is. Do you like stories? Look, the bus is coming. Hurry, let's get in. Is it crowded? Good. I don't like standing for a long time. Do you take this bus in the morning too? I see. Then you know the schedule well. Thank you for waiting with me. Yes, we can talk while we wait.
Exactly.